Welcome back, everybody. We are still working on Chapter 7, Section 3, Geometric Sequences and Series, and today we're going to start talking about geometric series. So a geometric series is the sum of the terms in a geometric sequence. So just like arithmetic series, where we took all the values we had and we added them up to find their total, now we're going to take the values of a geometric sequence, add them up, and find their total. There are different equations for these. We're going to start with this first equation. S stands for sum. The n is the term number that we're looking for, and the number of terms that we're adding together. That's a better way to state that. A sub 1 is still your first term. Both of these r's should be the exact same value, and that is your common ratio. And then this n should be the same as, get the highlighter going here, these two n values should be the same, because again, that's the number of terms that you're adding. Okay, going back to that very first problem that we did on day 1 of this, and talking about the rule or equation that we found for that. That rule was a sub n. Our first term was 1. Our r was 2 because of the doubling to the n minus 1 power. So we know a sub 1 is 1, r is 2, and it's asking us for 20 days, the sum that you've earned each for all 20 days added together in one total. And so 20 is going to be our n. So we have s sub 20 is equal to 1 for a sub 1, 1 minus r is 2. Oops. You have to have that 2 to the 20th power over 1 minus 2. So if you're doing all of this together in one big lump in your calculator, you're going to have an extra set of parentheses here and here. For me, I'm not quite fond of doing that myself, but try it, see how it goes for you. Just a reminder too that you cannot do that 1 minus 2 to get negative 1 to the 20th power. You have to do 2 to the 20th first. Subtract that from 1. So when I type all of this into my calculator gives us an answer of 1,048,575 cents. Remember, all of these are in pennies. If I look at all this stuff up here, it's all in pennies. So I'm going to go ahead and move that decimal over twice, and we get $10,485.75. That's how much we've earned in 20 days. That's quite a lot. $10,000 in 20 days. I haven't even made a month yet. Right. Oops. I want to go back. There should be another example on there. I apologize, I don't have it on my screen here, but it's the second classroom example. And that was with the gifts in December. And for that, we found the equation to be a sub n is equal to 50 times 2 to the n minus 1 power. That means that our first term is 50 and our common ratio, or R value, is 2. So the question asked, how much would we have earned total throughout those 12 months, which makes our n 12. So if I plug that into our formula, we have S sub 12 is equal to A sub 1 times 1 minus R to the n over 1 minus R. If I type all of this into my calculator, I end up with a total gift value of $204,750. That's a lot of money too. All right, this is where we're going to stop for today. Hope y'all are doing well. If you need help, reach out. Talk to you soon.